My name is Wes, and my amateur radio call sign is W3KW. This is the underside of the Hallicrafters Model S-40B receiver. It's fully restored, and most of the work was done by Hallicrafters, a very highly skilled restoration. However, there were a few deficiencies, as often there are when I buy restorations by others. And one is that there was not a fuse, which I added in an existing hole. I did have to drill for a 3-prong grounded power cord, and then I attached the the black lead to the switched lead after the fuse, and then the neutral and ground respectively. I'm going to put it back together and show you how it works, but I also built a mute plug, which allows you to externally mute the receiver using a Dow key relay if you're using an external transmitter. Okay, stand by. I'll put it back together and I'll show you how it works. Before I slide the case on, I'll just pan through the top side of the receiver. It is just gorgeous. Okay, it's back in the case, and to show you the authenticity of the restoration, I mean, look at that plate added by the factory, but this is a reproduction by Hallicrafters. Just a terrific job. Here's the back side of the receiver, and you could see my addition of the 3-prong power cord and the fuse. I'm going to put 2 screws in those open holes, which at one time probably held a strain relief for the power cord. Okay, here's the assembled Hallicrafters Model S-40B. Isn't she beautiful? I've got it on an AM radio station right now.
He turns his chair out to welcome the world in, and I said, you know what, I need.
Here's a tone control.
More like him. In this chapter, I realized how relational
I think that's nice.
Our faith is, and this relational component, I think, is getting lost more and more. And I just want to say, I think you're going to be a better spouse if you have friendships outside of your marriage.
Just a gorgeous receiver. So proud to own it. If you'd like to become a ham radio licensee, go to arrl.org.